Over the past week, we have seen quite a bit of rainfall across a good portion of the Lone Star State, including here in central Texas. And unfortunately, it has been a deadly situation for areas to the south and west of Waco, Temple, and Killeen. As we head down toward Burnett and Williamson County, some places seeing over 20 inches of rain over the past 7 days. That definitely causing the flooding there. And then back into the hill country. Of course, we know what's happening near Kerrville, west of the Austin area. And then we've seen some pretty good rain across McLennan and Bell counties as well. It just hasn't been as concentrated as out to the west. But remember, all these creeks, streams, and rivers flow into our lakes. So Lake Waco, Belton, and Stillhouse Hollow will continue to rise over the next few days. So be aware of that. Moisture tracker, as we take this into our Tuesday, basically what we're showing you here is where you see the blues and the greens, that's lower moisture value. The yellows, oranges, and reds, that's where we have the higher moisture value. And as we make our way into Tuesday, notice we're still in that orange area here across central Texas. So it means another chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms across our area. We need the moisture levels to go down here across our region. Still going to be up though as we head into Wednesday. So I'm going to keep at least scattered shower and thunderstorm potential in. As we head into Thursday, notice more of a blue and green starting to move into the area. This is where I think things will finally start to settle down across the region Thursday going into Friday as drier air begins to impinge across the western 2/3 of the Lone Star State. It may try to go back up again as we head into the weekend, and that's where we could see a few more isolated thunderstorms as we head into next week. Speaking of that, there you go. Maybe a front trying to get into Oklahoma, a little more moisture moving in as we head into the weekend. But here's what we're anticipating for the rest of this week. Scattered thunderstorms Tuesday and Wednesday, and it could be some more morning thunderstorms, especially on Tuesday. We'll look at that in a second. Staying humid across the area, of course, you would expect that. And then heating up as we head into the weekend, not 100s, but highs getting back into the middle 90s will be possible across the area. And as we check out your rain chances, we'll go about a 50-50 shot on Tuesday, 30% Wednesday, 20% Thursday. But what I'm going to tell you is this. This is a pattern that is hard to get out of, and the models, they're trying to get us out of it each and every day, but then it always comes back at us. So don't be surprised if these days here, Wednesday and Thursday, go up a little bit as we get closer, as we are kind of stuck with the staying power of this storm system over us as of right now. And it looks like that trend will continue. Our main upper high is back across parts of Arizona and New Mexico. On the east side of that, we're seeing little pieces of energy continuing to drive down into our area. Main jet stream is to the north. We've had this piece of energy sitting over the middle part of Texas, and it's just trapped. So nothing to steer it away. The steering currents are all to the north. Storms reinforce the spin, so when we get those complexes of thunderstorms, that reinforces our little low here, and that's why it just won't go away. If we start seeing more scattered thunderstorms, that will start to take this down just a little bit more. So that's what we're hoping for over the next couple of days. We need something to break this pattern up, as it has been a very wet one across the area. So in your future track for tonight, loss of daytime heating, loss of shower and thunderstorm potential across the area through 10 o'clock. As we make our way into the morning hours, this is showing thunderstorm development again as we head after sunrise. And it's showing most of it along and west of I-35, favoring the northwestern half of central Texas. But the models have been off the past several days exactly where this develops. So this could form farther southwest, a little farther east, a little farther to the southeast. Just have the umbrella handy as we head into Tuesday morning. As we go in the afternoon, again, another shot of some scattered showers and thunderstorms, not only for central Texas, but into the Brazos Valley as well. Then that starts to die out as we head into the overnight hours Tuesday night. But Wednesday morning, again, maybe a chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms right now favoring the eastern parts of central Texas, but the placement could change in future runs. So again, just make sure you have the umbrella handy through the middle part of the week. So for tonight, temperatures will be down into the middle 70s for you. Then tomorrow, highs upper 80s and lower 90s as we'll have more clouds. It's going to be hot and humid wherever you don't see any rainfall across the region, and that's going to be true for the next several days. Again, a chance for thunderstorms on Tuesday, 30% as of right now. Wednesday could go up a little bit more. Thursday at 20%, and hopefully taking this pattern away as we head into the weekend. Usually in July, we're saying, please bring us rain. Please bring us cooler temperatures. Right now, it'll be nice to warm up a little bit and get rid of some of these rain chances across the area. Then it goes to more isolated as we head into early next week. Highs staying into the middle 90s. And for the Brazos Valley, about a 40% chance of scattered thunderstorms for you on Tuesday. Wednesday will go 20%. Same for Thursday, and then just kind of keep it around that 20% range into the weekend on into early next week. Highs will be in the mid 90s, lows at night will be into the mid to upper 70s.